Hi, my name is Justin. This is Nooks Cooks. Today I'm going to be preparing my family's version of halo halo. So let's start. Halo halo is a Filipino shaped ice dessert with various toppings that depend on what part of the Philippines that the halo halo was prepared. It is by far my favorite dessert to have on a hot summer day. The name translates from Tagalog to English as mix mix because you literally mix it in the bowl or the cup or the glass that it's served in. And it has its history from Japan. There's a ice dessert or shaved ice dessert from Japan called Kakigori. I had it for the first time earlier this year on a trip to Japan. I'll put a little video here of the kakigori that I had in Kawagoe. That was a sweet potato version. It was so good. The ice was nice and fluffy. I recommend you have it if you haven't had it yet. And so it made its way to the Philippines because of the Japanese. And kakigori has an influence on different types of shaved ice dishes all across Asia and Southeast Asia, including but not limited to, and I'm going to butcher some of these names, so sorry in advance, and if I forgot any, leave a comment down below of what those are. But there is bingsu in Korea, bao bing in Taiwan, che in Vietnam, nam kang sai in Thailand, chendol and ice kacang in Singapore and Malaysia and Indonesia. And then there's shaved, almost messed that up. Shave ice in Hawaii, not with a D, shave ice in Hawaii. So yeah, there's a lot of different versions that kakigori has spread across Asia, and thank you for that because I love all these things. I've had most of them, and if I haven't had them, I'm gonna have them soon. If you're familiar with halo halo, a bunch of bright colors might come to mind, like greens and yellows and reds, and those tend to come from jarred ingredients and jellies, and that's not the type of halo halo that I'm gonna be focusing on today. I'm gonna be focusing on Kapampangan style halo halo, where the colors are a little bit more muted. I will be using a purple ube ice cream, which is bright in color, but otherwise the ingredients are gonna be pretty muted in color. So Kapampangan style halo halo tends to stay away from those jarred ingredients, which are good in their own right, and I'm not gonna say anything bad about them. But when it comes to the halo halo that my family prepares, a lot of the ingredients are prepared by hand. And I have different videos for those ingredients, like the sweetened jackfruit, the sweetened beans, and lecheflan. Two establishments come to mind when I think of halo halo and Pampanga, the first being Razons from Guagua, Pampanga. They have lecheflan, they have sweetened saba bananas, and makapuno. Makapuno is it's like a mutation of coconut. It's called coconut sport, where the meat grows all the way through the coconut. There's no hollow part in the middle. And when it's harvested early and taken out, it has like this jelly-like texture. It's delicious. It's used in a bunch of different types of Filipino desserts. One of my favorite things that I like in Filipino desserts. And two, there's kabigtings from Arayat, Pampanga, the town that my family's from. They have three main ingredients, which include a sweetened cream corn, sweetened beans, and they use pastillas. So pastillas are Carabao's milk. It's like a candy. It's Carabao's milk or water buffalo milk that's cooked down with sugar for a long period of time. My family's version of halo halo uses a little bit from each, and we'll see that in the ingredients in a bit. Here are the ingredients for my halo halo, starting with the sweetened beans, the sweetened jackfruit or langka, cream corn, and these are the pastillas. This is specifically bagkat. This one is completely optional. This came from the Philippines from my last trip. This was actually cooked at my grandma's house and we brought it back. It's been in the freezer since. We have ice that's gonna be shaved down, evaporated milk, lecheflan, and ube ice cream. So I would say the lecheflan, the ube ice cream, and the bagkat or pastillas are optional. And if you did everything else in this halo halo, you would have a delicious halo halo. Can't have a shaved ice dessert without some shaved ice. Let's put it all together, starting with the sweet beans. So the order doesn't really matter when it comes to the stuff that's at the bottom. And then there is truly like no set way, like set measurements. This is really like your own personal preference, like truly your own personal preference. If there's one of these ingredients that you don't like, don't put it in. Okay, and this is the jackfruit. This is one of my favorites. Put the langka in there. Let's put some extra because this one was particularly good. Put that in there. And then we have the cream corn. And then the pastillas or bug gut. Let's see. And then we'll put the ice. Hopefully it hasn't melted at the time I'm putting this together. Okay, I think we're still good. And the ice. And then we're gonna take the evaporated milk, shake it. And we're gonna take just an old school type of can opener and we're gonna puncture 2 holes in it on opposite sides. Let's see if I do this right. And then that'll create like an air gap. Okay, should come out. Put the evaporated milk onto the ice. Probably could put a little bit more ice. And then let's make it fancy. So we have some lecheflan that I made yesterday. Super soft. Oh, maybe that's too big. Okay. Some lecheflan and some ube ice cream. Oh, look at that. The halo halo's done, and before it starts melting too much, let's mix it for our halo halo. So, it's kind of melted a little bit. So the key is you want to mix from the bottom and get all those ingredients from the bottom to go up. So it's like this upward motion where you mix it up and it goes all the way to the top. Try to get it all mixed in there. It'll be hard to get all that ube ice cream, but oh, sorry. Mga tamo, let's eat. Even though there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ingredients in here, you can taste each single one. Oh, and then the ice. The ice has a nice texture to it. I just got some of the lecheflan with the lime rind in there. There's so many different flavors. Not gonna lie, this is super sweet, but it's complex. There's so many, even though they are different sweet components, they all bring their own different factor of sweet in there. Let's see, I think this is the Pastillas. So good, yum. think I'm gonna forget filming. I'm just gonna sit here and eat this. See, all the beautiful colors are starting to come together. The beautiful muted colors. That's a good halo halo. And then the beans and the jackfruit. Am I still filming or am I just eating? I don't even know. Oh, what a nice treat. Oh man. Got brain freeze. Hi everyone, thanks again for watching. I really appreciate each and every one of you, and leave a comment down below what your favorite halo halo topping is, or if you notice, I'm wearing a Mickey Mouse halo halo t-shirt. This is a Mickey Mouse Uniqlo exclusive from the Philippines. I saw it on Instagram. I messaged one of my cousins. I told her to go buy one right now. She got it. I had an auntie who was coming back home to the United States, so I got the shirt. So remember to like and subscribe. Peace.